Hello guys, this is the Fine Timer YouTube channel right here, and in this video, I will share with you some of the best day trading strategies that have worked very perfectly for me and have helped me earn a lot of money in the stock market. You've likely heard me say that 90% of traders lose money. I repeat it because it's a fact. And I want it to motivate you. Think about it. In any profession with a low success rate, like day trading, there are always outliers. People who rise above to deliver astounding results. Today I'll highlight some of my most consistent trading students, who are arguably some of the best day traders in the game. It wasn't easy for them and it didn't happen overnight, but everyone is a verified millionaire trader. Each of these students took their own unique path to success, but they all have one thing in common. They studied hard and put in the work necessary to find consistency. But before we get into these inspiring day trading success stories, you should first know what day trading is and how it works. What is day trading? Day trading is different from the passive investing your parents might do. Instead of holding stocks for a long period, day traders buy and sell shares within hours or minutes. And they do this with a variety of stocks, sometimes multiple times per day. Day traders may not even know what the company they're trading does. They don't care. Instead, they look for chart patterns for trading setups. And most successful day traders consistently book small wins. They don't ride a hit home runs every time. As you'll soon see, singles add up. How does day trading work? Day trading works a lot like trading over a longer period. These traders aim to make consistent gains from trading stocks. There's a lot of variation in strategies and rules. And speaking of rules, there's a day trading rule that everyone loves to talk or gripe about: the pattern day trader (PDT) rule. It says that your account needs at least $25,000 in net liquidity before you can freely day trade. If you have less than $25,000 in your account, you're limited to 3 round-trip trades every 5 business days. It can make it harder to day trade. Honestly, I think the PDT rule is a good thing for newbie traders. It forces them to focus on their best setups. It also can prevent overtrading. Day trading is a popular short-term trading strategy that involves the buying and selling of financial instruments with the aim of closing out of the positions by the end of the day to profit from small movements in price. As a day trader, you can be your own boss. You can trade from home, from an office, or even while traveling, thanks to advances in mobile technology. But day trading is not for everyone, and there are some things you should be aware of before you start day trading the financial markets. I will share with you some of the very best tips when you are day trading the market to follow. Tip number 1: follow your own rules. Discipline is one of the most important attributes that experienced traders have in common. Keep a watchful eye on your bad habits and look to resolve them as soon as possible. You are trading in a disciplined way if you decide on a carefully considered set of rules to govern your trading decisions and then follow them. Find ways to stop yourself from breaking your rules, then look to address it if it is becoming a problem. As a day trader, it's a good idea to re-evaluate your rules at the end of each month due to the shorter time frame of this style of trading. Tip number 2: manage your money. Money management is essential when day trading. In fact, it is one of the essential elements of trading over any time frame. Certainly, if you are planning to trade for many years to come, you are going to need to apply successful money management strategies. There are whole books dedicated to this topic, containing many different approaches, and you need to take the time to find a method that you're comfortable with. The risk-reward ratio is important. Remember, it doesn't matter if you win 90% of the time if your losses are much larger than your wins. What's important is that your wins are larger than your losses. Tip number 3: always use risk management. Never forget to use stop-loss orders to manage your risk when you are placing your orders to enter the market. This is your insurance. You need to be aware of exactly where your stops should be prior to entering the trade. This is a good habit to have and will help protect yourself from trades that go against you. Standard stop losses can be prone to slippage when price gapping occurs. However, guaranteed stop losses will always close out positions at your chosen level. Some of the psychology of day trading are as follows. Act decisively once you have developed an informed opinion. Stay level-headed. You should always try to remain calm, This is especially true when you are faced with a loss. Maintain a calm disposition and react in accordance with your rules. Mentally rehearse your worst-case scenarios so that, if they do occur, you are prepared and can keep a level head. Remember that when trading with leverage, your loss can exceed the amount you have deposited on a trade. Some brokers offer cash accounts for day trading, which helps to lower the risk as these accounts disable the use of leverage, short selling and pattern day trading. Don't let other traders' opinions influence your trading strategy. Sometimes other traders will offer their views on the market and give advice without considering your trading methodology. If you want advice, you should consult a qualified professional who will be able to appreciate your style of trading and give their thoughts accordingly without throwing you off course. Be patient. Emphasis needs to be placed on the importance of patience when trading. If you can't find any viable trading opportunities, don't trade for the sake of it. As you get to know a market, you may find that knowing when to open or close a trade becomes easier. Your intuition is something that sharpens as you become more experienced as a trader. Be aware of your stress levels. Day trading can be stressful as it requires constant attention and motivation. You can counter this by taking time to think about your priorities. Get some perspective on trading and its place in your life. Increased stress levels can have a negative impact on your trading decisions, so if you feel like your stress levels are rising, it's probably a good time to step away. You can come back to trading later when you are in the right frame of mind. Have a flexible approach. When you're trading, it's also necessary to be flexible with your positions. Market conditions can change rapidly, and so you need to be flexible in your approach. You need to be ready to adapt to changing market conditions and to alter your trading strategy accordingly. Stick to your chosen market and a particular time frame. These are two parameters you can control in an environment that can change very quickly. Never be afraid of realizing your profits. If you find that you have exited a trade at a profit, but the trend continues, don't regret your decision. You have made a profit, so start looking for the next opportunity. If you worry that you are frequently exiting too early and are missing out, you could design and test a re-entry technique. Keep detailed trading records. When you are running a particular trade, you could write down your reasons for entering it. This will help you later as you can evaluate your past trades in order to learn from them. By keeping good records and writing down precisely why you entered the trade, you can increase your learning curve. Have a clear picture of whether you are where you hope to be. After you have been day trading for a month, take some time to evaluate what you have done. Look at your trades and ask yourself what you would do differently if you could do the trade again. This can help you to become a more consistent trader in the long term. Thanks guys for watching this video. I will be back with more awesome videos, so make sure to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video. Cheers.